I'm working as a system admin now. Before coming to NetSoft, I wasn't having any particular certifications in IT. Just I had a simple computer application diploma from back home. And 2011, I came here, and after some struggle, I was able to get into the IT field. But still, to go to the next level, I needed some education that I got from NetSoft. And after joining NetSoft, I did all the latest certifications in Microsoft and VMware and Citrix, and that were really helpful, and they bring me to the next level of the job. As my academic background, I'm master's in humanities and linguistics, and in IT I have MCSE, MCSA, and VCP, and in Citrix I have a CCA. Other than that, I have SCCM certifications, and I'm still working on to get more certifications. But I guess in total I have latest 10 to 12 certifications in IT. One of my common friend referred me to the NetSoft. He was also NetSoft X student, and he was working in IBM that time. And after meeting him, he explained me how the NetSoft trainings are good and different from the other institutes. And it was 1 year diploma, and on the weekend classes it was perfect for me, so I joined it. So I got the reference through one old student. I took I guess 10 plus 1. There was first I started as a workshop. Then after that there was a 1 year diploma which was having 10 courses plus a Hire Me course. So in total I guess I got 11 trainings. Training quality at NetSoft is very good. All the trainers are experienced and have a lot of knowledge. So I got most of that. I learned a lot from them, and it was really helpful. I would say that NetSoft is different from the other institutes because other than the theory, they will give you a lot of hands-on practice. Other than the official labs, there are scenarios. Those are really related to the real work environment. Whatever you are doing there, you will do that 100 of times. There are repetitions again and again, and those are really helpful, and they will push you to all the boundaries. They will give you so much work, all the home fun assignments. Those are going to be really helpful. I don't know about the trainers at the other institutes, but what I know about the trainers at NetSoft, that they are really qualified and well-experienced trainers, and they will teach you well, and they will help you in all the areas, whatever you want to learn, or your hands-on or theory. They will answer all your questions, and you will feel comfortable whenever you will be in the class. They goes to the student level, and then they bring them to the next level. And all the trainers were really good, and that's what I got from my experience here. All the different courses require different input from the students and from the trainers too. There are some trainings, those are good because one is based on the another. If you got the basics right, then you can catch up, and you will feel that training is easy. You don't need to put so much effort. But there are some trainings like VMware or Citrix, those are different than Microsoft. But so in some trainings you need to put some extra hours at home, whatever you are putting. Sometimes you have to stay more here at the NetSoft to do your labs, because in the group you can do it better. So some trainings require more efforts and some are less, so it's a mixture of both. Trainers will challenge you through the different home fun assignments, whatever they are teaching you or you are doing in your official labs, and they will create the scenarios for you that you have to do it. So it's really helpful when you do those scenarios, and they will push you to finish all the assignments on time and do all your certifications and prepare for the exams. Those are really helpful. All the positives, what you will get at NetSoft, you will learn whatever you are coming for, all the education and latest IT stuff. But the negative side is you have to give up your weekends, because you can't miss the classes. If you missed one day, then it's hard to catch up, because one day they cover a lot. So for a year, if you are joining a diploma program, you have to be committed, and you can't take days off. When I joined here, the first time I came here, I met some old students. I heard from them some stories about the past students. Those were pleasing to hear, but I wasn't able to believe that can happen. But then I saw, when I spent 1 year here in the diploma, I saw it's happening. It happened with me too. I went to the next level of the IT job. So if you will put all your efforts and work hard, and you will be a success story for NetSoft and for yourself too. Other than the time that you spend at the classes at NetSoft, I guess minimum you have to match the hours. If you are spending 18 to 20 hours on the weekend at NetSoft, then you have to put like 20 to 30 hours minimum at home, so that you can catch up with your assignments and home fun and official labs, and you can prepare for the exams. You need to put the efforts. It requires efforts. If you will not put all the efforts, you will stay behind. The course was really helpful for job preparation and for the interviews. And other than that, working with the fellow students, working in a group, helping each other with their resume and to prepare for the interviews, that was really helpful. I learned a lot here, so I spent 1 year and got the diploma. I'm proud of with all my efforts. I got all the major certifications here. Other than that, I learned, I got lots of hands-on experience here. So I will say I'm proud of that. I'm a NetSoft student and I'm graduated from here. All the trainings were really good, but every individual has some tastes. So I will say that Citrix was really good. I really liked that. Other than that, 411 training and 410 training were really helpful. I recommend NetSoft because I spent 1 year here and I got the results. So I know about NetSoft, what kind of trainers are here, how they are teaching. So I will definitely recommend NetSoft. I have only one message, that if you want to go to the next level or want to change your career, just give one dedicated year to NetSoft and put all your efforts. Your 1 year efforts will take you to the next level.